Hi there. So we got a new garage door opener. We got this at Home Depot. It's a Chamberlain. It's the B750. There's the model number. It's 3/4 horsepower equivalent lifting force. So I don't know if that actually means it's in a half and it just has 3/4 equivalent potential, but our old one was in a half, so I got this one, and it was I believe $180, and then I paid the Home Depot $79 for install, and they did that this week. Comes with, you can download the MyQ app and control it from your smartphone if you want to. I don't know if I'm going to do that or not, because it has the two remotes and the keypad and the door button with motion sensor, and then these are the sensors that go over by the door for safety sensors. So here it is installed. And then here's the button. And you have a switch here to turn your light on and off manually if you want. But here is a motion sensor. And then the big white button here will open and close the door. And I just wanted to mention, nobody showed me this when they installed it. The button flips up, and there's more buttons underneath. And there's a little black switch at the top here, and it's for the motion sensor. And when it was installed, it was in the off position, and I didn't know why my motion sensor wasn't working, and I didn't know that flipped up. But anyways, after looking online and finally on page 14 of the manual, I found this. Just in case anybody has that problem, you have more controls. So I'll let you hear what it sounds like. So I'm pretty happy with it, and it's pretty quiet. It's belt drive. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.